Hello, foodies! I'm the legendary Besan Laddu. These are my power ingredients. I'm Besan. Without me, this recipe is just emotional damage.
Excuse me, YOU would be dry sand without me.
I'm the one making everybody sweet.
I bring protein!
Don't forget me, I am Raisin. I may be small, but I carry the entire fragrance department. Ooh, things are getting buttery.
Keep stirring, bro. Don't let me burn. Be slow and gentle. Yes! Now that's the perfect roast.
Once cooled down, it's time to become sweet enough to steal hearts. Look at me! Perfectly round and fabulous. Soft, rich, melt-in-mouth perfection.